Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is do this for a day. Just one day. You are supposed to carry out an assignment to see how much you have learned and how much you have mastered your emotions. So here we go. For one day, right from morning till evening, you can decide the time for yourself. Starting from the time you get up in the morning, you have to align with something you really love to do, something which brings peace of mind and something which really makes you so connected with yourself, something which you have always wanted to do but never found the time to do. For example, you love to sing. So this is one day you are going to sing to your heart's content. Just keep humming all throughout the day, or just sit at one place and sing all your favorite songs. Take out that diary and sing all your favorite songs. So you are making your soul so satisfied and contented. So this is what you have to do just for a day, and you have to see how it changes your life. What are the emotional changes that take place? So just for a day, you have to gauge the feelings, your own feelings. How do you feel doing something you love so much? Sing or dance or whatever you like to do, just because you feel good doing it. Don't worry whether you are good at it or not. You have heard that quotation, the woods would be really silent if only those birds sang that sang the best. The next thing, on the same day, the assignment carries on. So the next thing that you have to do is to be in the here and now, to be in the moment, be like a child. There is nothing to accomplish, there is nothing to do, nothing more important to do. All you have to do is be anchored in the now and look around for everything good in your life, everything beautiful in your life, around you, your family, everything that you can see, and be in gratitude for that. Say thank you for this little blessing. Say thank you for every little blessing. There is a quotation in one of my books, Voyage to Happiness, and it has been translated in so many languages and has been shared number of times all over on the internet, and it goes like this: never let the things you want make you forget the things you have. So be in gratitude for every blessing in your life. The very fact you are alive is a blessing, and for everything that you are enjoying in your life, just be in gratitude. Keep saying thank you many times all throughout the day. This is your assignment. The third thing that is part of your assignment for one day is mind your own business. When you feel like correcting your children or controlling somebody in your family, telling them how to do it, what to do, when to do, how to go about doing things, just maintain silence. So you have to trust that they have an inner being and they know what to do. Though you do not like that dirty room, that is fine, just for a day. Just for a day. Just try to be silent and don't correct people. Don't go about telling people what to do. That is your test for, not a test, an assignment for you to accomplish just for a day. Another thing you have to do is just become a master of your emotion. Just see if you can master your emotions for a day. Whatever happens on the outside, don't panic, don't be, angry or irritated. Just let it be. Just let it go. Don't judge it as good or bad. Don't get into an argument. You just keep equanimity of mind and your emotions are still balanced inside. So everything that happens on the outside, which doesn't make you feel really good, has something to teach you what still lies inside of you. It is not about the other person. We always try to blame the other person. This person made me angry. I was irritated because this child did this, behaved in a certain way, did not get very good marks. No, you always have a choice. You can pause and take a decision at any moment not to be angry, not to be irritated. So this is also a part of your assignment. Just for a day. This is also one thing you must practice. Declutter your life. Don't sit with that newspaper and accumulating. That is also, learning is also accumulation of knowledge. Don't learn anything on that day. Just declutter your life. Just sit and enjoy whatever already is. Connect with your inner spirit, all that you already know. Connect with your intuition. Connect with whatever you already are, with who you already are. It is not about your qualifications, how you are perceived here in the society. It is about who you truly are, the divine self, your limitless self. Sit with that inner being and connect with your inner being just for a day. Give out things that you have not used for some time, for 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, and also give out some things which are very precious to you. So try giving out at least one thing that you find useful, but still you just want to see if you are still attached to your possessions. Try giving it out. Don't make yourself wanting for something, but you can just take a middle path. Try giving out something which you find is nice, and still you would give it to someone you love. So that will show you are unattached to your material possessions. Just for a day, try to be aware, alert, and still, not in a hurry. Don't hurry around. Don't be in a hurry to reach somewhere. Don't be in a hurry to complete your work. You are not competing with anyone. You are not in comparison with anyone. You are just yourself on this day. So just enjoy your life. Stay in peace and keep smiling. You will keep smiling because you are in gratitude throughout the day. You are saying thank you for all your blessings. So be aware of your behavior. Be aware of your conditioned ways of responding to any situation and unlearn those conditioned ways. Don't respond in a similar way, the way you used to respond for so many years. So just see if your behavior is okay. Just see if your emotions are balanced, if you're practicing equanimity or not. Just see if your thoughts are positive. What are you taking in terms of conversations, whatever you are hearing, whatever you are thinking or reading. And so be free from any kind of negativity just for a day. Become the architect of your life. Just keep observing everything around you. People, things, trees, nature, animal. Just observe them. Just become a witness. And do not speak. Speak less. Only when it is needed. Just don't speak. Just become an observer and see what is going on around you. You will see the futility of words, how much we speak when it is not required. So this is a part of your assignment. Try it just for a day. And then if you really feel peaceful and calm and happy, you experience inner joy, continue it for the next day. Try it and you will see your life change for the better. This is all in this video. I love you, Inner Universe community. It is always so beautiful to connect with all of you. Thank you so much for being a part of this beautiful family. I send you my love and blessings, and I wish abundance, peace, good health, and lot of love in your life. Thank you. Namaste.